This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip versus the OnePlus 7T. Now, let me know in the comments below what you think about these foldable phones that are coming out right now. Will this sell like hotcakes? Because of its form factor. I mean, look at how small this is. It folds up, nice and compact, fits in the palm of my hand, very pocketable, small footprint. However, if you need to use it, it opens up and you have your very nice display here. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up here, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip versus OnePlus 7T speed test comparison. Should be a fun little test, see what happens. Both are booting up right now. Which one will boot up faster? Oh, the Z Flip. Hear a noise from the Z Flip. Oh, here comes the 7T. And get rid of this little pop-up. Very close, but I think I'm gonna give the win to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And we are in. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and swipe over. These are the apps I'm gonna use for this speed test. And as you can see, whoops, I'm gonna go like this. As you can see, no recent items and no recently used apps on both phones. All apps, caches, the browsers have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Identical. This one, the same. And then we'll go ahead and test out the camera. We'll go ahead and do it like this. Ooh, very close. Maybe the Z Flip on that one actually. You guys are the judges. Let me know in the comments. Slow down the video for me on YouTube and let me know. Clock. Let's see. Stopwatch. And start that up and let that run in the background. Chrome on both. All right, what should I search for? I will just go to Verge. See what's going on Verge today. Whoops. Okay, take this one with a grain of salt to kind of mess that one up. All right. Go. There we go. Same time on that one. And, ooh, very close. Maybe the Z Flip. This T-Mobile ad came up first. And then what can I click on? What is this? What the world would look like without YouTube. That's an interesting one. Let's click on that. See what that's about. World without YouTube. Maybe I'll read this after the video. Go ahead and pinch to zoom. Nice and fast. And let's see here. Okay, what happened? I clicked on something here. I'm gonna go back. Okay, and let's see. Here we go, click on this, or zoom in on this little GIF right here, or GIF. Ooh, okay, Z Flip, a little bit of a lag initially, but nice and fast now. And this one is nice and fast, as you can see. And also this one I think has a 90 Hertz display, so a little bit faster display. All right, let's go ahead and click on one more thing here. Or, yeah, just click on this one, whatever this is. Okay, this is what I clicked by accident before. Nice and fast. We'll do one more just in case. Yeah. So browsing should not really be an issue on either phone. This one. Nice and quick. Butter. Okay, I think the Z was faster on that one a little bit. Click on this one. And then we'll install, see which one installs faster. And let's not go. We'll leave it there instead. Amazon. Oh, very close. Ooh, maybe the Z by a split second. What can I click on? Just click on this. And then we'll click on this one. Identical speed. eBay. Very fast. Ooh, maybe the 7T was faster on that particular product page. Super Mario Run right now. Let's see. Oh, faster on the left. Faster on the left again. And then we'll click this one. Loading on both phones. Ooh! Okay, well, I'm gonna let this run and see which one is the quicker one. Faster on the Z. And then next game. Starting up and logging in, I think the Z is out in front. Oh, I think the Z will win. Yup. We'll give this one to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And then next game. Game Loft. Asphalt 9 Legends. Oh, and the 7T with a comeback. Here we go. You know the 7T is gonna fight back, right? So, PUBG. Oh, I think the 7T's out in front. Let's see here. You're hearing noise from the 7T, loading on the 7T. All right, I'm gonna give the win to the OnePlus on this. And then Adobe Photoshop Express. And I'm gonna click on this one. Okay, this is an 8K image. I'm gonna click on, let's see. I'm gonna click on summer because I missed the summer. And then I'm gonna click this all the way. And this one has a little bit more orange for some reason, but they're both the summer one. We'll just go with it. Click that, and then I'm gonna click save on gallery, see which one does it faster. Go. Oh, so close. Maybe the Z Flip by a split second. You guys are the judges. Twitter, identical. The gram, pretty much the same. What does this pop up? WhatsApp, Thai, Snapchat, identical. Go ahead and check out the app switching on both phones. See how these phones handle the RAM management. They both have 8 gigs of RAM, identical processors, both on Android 10, One UI 2.0 on the Z, and the latest version of Oxygen OS on the OnePlus. We'll just run through these apps again, whoops, and then just see what happens. Any lag, any stutters, anything weird, any reloads, and Photoshop, it's both reloaded that. Okay, PUBG, good to go on both. Gotta say, I don't know how I feel about this Android 10 swipe gestures. I don't know, I guess I'm old school and I miss the navigation buttons a little bit, but that's just me though. Let me know in the comments what you think of the swiping. See, like this, right? So you gotta go like this now. Like an iPhone, right? Angry Birds 2. And oh, okay. Not a reload, but Z Flip faster to recover on that one. Temple Run 2. Good to go on both. Mario Run. Mario Run, good to go. eBay. Same place. Amazon. Same place. Play Store. Whoops. Won't install this? Nah, maybe next time. And then we do have the calculator. Good to go. Chrome. Okay. Ready to browse. And then we do have the clock still running in the background. And then the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the phone so you guys can see the viewfinder a little bit. Go. Faster on the left. And then we do have the Messages app. There you have it. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. My fellow Samsung Knights, are you considering the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip? If you have a Galaxy S10 or a Galaxy Note, Galaxy S9, are you considering switching to a phone like the Galaxy Z Flip? Are you excited because of its foldable design? Like this, nice and compact, fits easily in the palm of my hand, and when you need to use it, you open it up and you have a nice and big screen here. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you excited for this phone? Is this something that you will consider One thing I will say is I kind of wish this exterior display was a little bit bigger, or a lot bigger actually. This 1-inch kind of display here, I don't know about that. I can see this having a bigger display on the second generation of this phone. But yeah, let me know what you think about this phone in the comments below. Or are you on team OnePlus? Do you have yourself the OnePlus 7T, the OnePlus 7, the OnePlus 7 Pro? Thanks for watching. Peace out.